Hi everyone, so I am back with another video, and here we will be discussing how you compare and contrast the graphs or tables in writing task 1 for academic IELTS. Let's see. So in an IELTS academic writing task 1, you should be spending about 20 minutes on this task. So the task I'm going to talk about is a bar graph. The bar graph below shows the net worth of the UK from 2000 to 2010 according to 3 sectors. Now you need to summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Also, write at least 150 words. So now we've got the question. Let's look at the image or the graph. So this is a bar graph. Let's have a look at it. You can pause and look at it. I'm gonna move a little further and discuss what basically are we looking for. So while you're looking at any information, whether it is a bar graph or it is a table or any sort of information, there are a few questions you need to think about. What is being measured and how? So if the information, whether it is in amount, numbers, percentage, money, whatever is the measuring unit. Then you need to think if there is an element of information, element to the information, that is if there is a gap or there is some kind of a trend or something unique basically that you can pinpoint. And third thing you need to care about is, are the two things or more things being compared? So is there a comparison going on? So let's see. Let's go back to the image. So we see that yes, we see a lot of information. We see the numbers are in billions. It's billions of pounds. Then there is year, that is a timeline. And then things compared are the total of UK. And then the 3 categories are households, businesses, and government. Let's see. So to identify the pattern, you need to look for peaks, that is the high points, or troughs, that is the low points. Also, you need to see the period when the figure remains steady and the period when the figure fluctuates. So whether the trend is increasing, decreasing, whatever, you need to check about that. You also need to notice which different figures you can compare and which figures you can contrast. So if we look at this image back again, we will find that we can make some notes. So what are the identifiers or the notes that we get is, we are talking about net worth in 3 sectors: households, businesses, and government in the UK, and then there's a total. The information is measured in billions of pounds. Element of time is years, and the time period is of 10 years from 2000 to 2010. What's unique is all businesses are in minus, they are under the graph. The government is almost under 500 billion pounds. And then the concluding point you can see is increasing trend in the UK total till 2007. Then there's a slight decline through 2008 and 9, and then it's back up again in 2010. So these are some observations I made. Now, making these observations is the best way to have your pointers ready. And you need to just spend around 2 minutes on doing this so that you have 18 minutes to draft your report. So 2 to 3 minutes are required that you study the graph, you pinpoint the points, and then when you have all the information that you think is important, you can use it and you can easily write 150 words for your report. So I hope these tips will be useful to you. We'll be back with another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.